Hey guys, we're in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's the home of the Great Race and home of Coker Tire and home of the Chattanooga Motorcar Festival. It's a great event right here in Chattanooga, and we have invited some of our great racers to do a special ride along, giving spectators a chance to get into these great race competition vehicles and do a little tour of downtown. Nothing extensive, nothing crazy, just a few miles in the passenger seat or back seat of some of these cars. So one of these is a 1915 Ford Model T, which we're about to see right here. And this car's got a hand crank, and they're about to fire this thing up. And notice the license plate is from Maine. These guys, they're committed. They came down all the way from Maine to enjoy this event, and they've put smiles on a lot of people's faces. So let's watch them as they get this thing fired up. It's giving them a little bit of a lesson here in how it works.
Keep your thumb back, because you're going to be pulling real hard. You're going to think of picking up a 100-pound sack of rocks. Okay? So you keep your thumb back so you don't skin your thumb. You push it in to engage it, and then right there, it hooks up. You know, there's a ratchet in there that catches the teeth.
Yes, sir.
You can feel that it caught?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give it a big toe. There you go.
Oh, cool.
That's hard, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So there you have it, hand crank, 1915 Ford Model T. Everybody's having a ball. Here comes the little Nash Metropolitan. And then, of course, the Pontiac from Murfreesboro. We've got some really great cars here, including this Jaguar. Beautifully restored car that's got a lot of great race miles under its belt. 1927 Peerless. Another very nicely built car. These ride-alongs are putting smiles on a lot of people's faces, getting to experience what these old cars are like. 1920s cars, 19-teens cars like this Ford Model T, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, all sorts of different cars and trucks. And it's an awesome experience. People are really enjoying this. Another vehicle on the Great Race ride-alongs is this 39 Ford pickup. This is Jeff Hermanson from Indiana. He came down, been giving people rides in this thing. Taking a little break right now. We've got a little bit of a lull in action, so this gives us a good chance to take a look at some of these cars. Next is Ed Foster's 1940 Ford two-door sedan. And then Gary and Jean Ann Martin's 1964 Chevy 2 Nova Super Sport. This car's got a ton of great race miles under its belt, but it does not do the great race anymore because the Martin's got a 32 Ford. But this car's still all stickered up, ready to go rallying any time. And then a 1916 Chevrolet, all the way from Louisiana. Very cool car. Not many chances to ride in a 1916 anything. So this has been a lot of fun. We've got a 1915 Chalmers, pretty rare, big touring sedan that is actually owned by Great Race director Jeff Stump. So lots of cool opportunities for spectators to ride along in these cars. We got cars that cover just about every decade. So a really great opportunity to get the Great Race out there, let some of these guys have some fun, put smiles on people's faces. It's really been a great weekend at the Chattanooga Motorcar Festival.
Thank you.